Hi, I am Srinivas sir from Sri Sai Sadbhavana. Okay, now we are continuing the exercise 2.1 in the second lesson, that is addition. Second lesson, addition. They have given so many problems in that we will do another one or two. Next we will go to the subtraction. Here I have up to completed seventh problem in an examination conducted by Delhi University. That problem we have solved. Now we will move to the problem a bulb factory. A bulb factory produced 12 crore 65,046 lakhs, sorry, 12 crore 65 lakhs 46,290 bulbs in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 1 crore 2 lakhs 3,050 bulbs more. How many bulbs did it produce in the second year? So here, first you write down the bulbs produced in the first year. So, bulbs produced in the first year. How much it has produced? 2 crore, sorry, 12 crore, 65 lakhs, 46,290. This is in the first year. In the second year, it produces more bulbs than this. More bulbs than this, that is 1 crore 2 lakhs 3,050. So, bulbs produced more, that is more bulbs in the second year, not the total. That is not the total. They have produced extra bulbs. Or you write down better than this, extra bulbs. Extra bulbs produced in the second year. How much? 1 crore 2 lakhs 3,050. That means they have produced the same, along with they have produced some extra bulbs in the second year. Then what is the total? So then what is the total? That is total number of bulbs. Total number of bulbs produced in second year. What you have to do? Add. What you have to do? Add 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 6, 3. So this is the total number of bulbs produced in the second year. Once again I will explain the problem. A bulb factory is there. It produces in the first year 12 crore 65 lakhs 46,290 bulbs. In the second year, it produces more bulbs than this. How many more? 1 crore 2 lakhs 3,050 bulbs it is produced. That means they have improved their production. Then how much is the total production in the second year? What is the total production in the second year? Just you add the last year. That means they have produced the same, and additionally they have produced this much. So just to add, you will get the answer. That is 13 crore. That is 13 crore 67 lakhs 49,340. 13 crore 67 lakhs 49,340 bulbs they have produced. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Next, in 1 year, Ajay earned rupees 20 lakhs 57,675. His wife earned rupees 15 lakhs 20,300, and their son earned 17 lakhs 10,100. How much does Ajay's family earn in 1 year? That is the ninth problem we will solve now. Okay. So now, ninth problem. What is the problem? Ajay is earning. That means Ajay earns in a year 20 lakhs 57,675. His wife earns 15 lakhs 20,300 rupees. and his son earns rupees 17 lakhs 10,100 rupees. Then find the total earnings. Find the total earnings of Ajay's family. Find the total earnings of the Ajay's family. So total means what I have to do? Add. You have to find the sum, that is addition. Just I will add 500, so you will get 5. Here 700, 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 0, 0, so total 8. Next, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Here 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, carry 1. 12, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the total earnings of his family? Rupees 52 lakhs 88,075 rupees. 52 lakhs 88,075. So this is the total earnings of Ajay family. That is the total earnings of Ajay family. That he earns 20 lakhs 57,675. His wife earns 15 lakhs 20,300. His son earns 17 lakhs 10,100 total. Once again addition 5, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 1, 10. Carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. Total 52 lakhs 88,075 rupees. Okay, next move to the 10th problem. In an election, the people cast their vote in favor of A, B and C. There are 3 candidates for the election, that is A, B and C. Some people cast their vote in favor of A, some people cast their vote in favor of B, and some people cast their vote in the favor of C. So in the favor of A, how many votes? 27 lakh 9,625. In favor of B, 10 lakhs 25,638. In favor of C, 30 lakhs 59,269. Okay, this is the number of votes that casted. Okay, that means polled. Number of votes polled. So find out the total number of votes. Find out the total number of votes polled. Okay, now what I have to do? Total means once again sum, add. I will add 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 9, 13 plus 9, 22, carry 2. Okay, 5 plus 8, 13, plus 9, 22, carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, carry 1. 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 9, 24. 15 plus 9, 24, carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So here 7, 0, 0, 7 only. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again I will do the addition. 5 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next 9. 13 plus 9. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Carry 1. Here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 14, 15, carry 1. For that 5, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. For here to carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 7 as it is. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. The total number of votes is 67 lakh 94,532 is the total number of votes polled. These are the total number of votes, that is 67,94,532 votes are polled on that election. Okay, next we'll move to the 11th problem. Next, the 11th problem. What the 11th problem says, a company spends some amount for the advertisement purpose. For the advertisement purpose in the first year, that is rupees 4 crore 15 lakhs 85,570. In the next year, it spends extra. Along with this, it spends some extra amount, that is 1 crore 7 lakhs 25,891. Then find the amount spent in a second year. That means in the first year, it spent this amount, and along with that, it spent extra amount in the second year. Then find out the total. That is the total amount spent in the second year. That is the total amount spent in the second year. So we will add. What you have to do? Just add sum. That means 0 plus 1, 1. 7 plus 9, 16, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14, carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Here, what you have to understand, first year they send this much. In the second year, they spend this amount, including that they have sent some extra amount. That is 1 crore 7 lakhs 25,891. So that means you have to find out the what is the total amount. Just add the first year as well as the extra amount. Then you will find out the total amount what we spent for the advertisement purpose. What the company spent for his advertisement, for their advertisement purpose. Okay, the total is 5 crore 23 lakhs 11,461. Okay, come to the 12th problem. Here they have given the population. They have given the population of a village, population of a country, population of a country they have given. So what is the number of men? 50 lakhs 50 crore 25 lakhs 92,630. Number of men in the country is 50 crore 25 lakhs 92,630. Number of women 46 crore 89 lakhs 59,951. Okay, number of children 63 crore 84 lakhs 56,005. So you have to find out the total population. You have to find out the total population. So to get the total population, what I have to do? Once again, addition, add. Okay, now we will add 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, because here 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 0, 8 only. 6 plus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So carry 2. For 20 you are writing 0 here. Carry 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 16 plus 4, 20. So 0 here, 2 carry. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Carry 2. 2 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 12. So this is the answer. Once again I will add 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, carry 1, 10 plus 10, 20, carry 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, plus 4, 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, carry 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. See here, so I have done the wrong 16. So how many crores? 161 crore 8,586. Okay, 161 crore 8,586 is the answer. Here once again 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16. Okay, so this is the answer 161 crore 8,586. Okay, so I hope this much is enough in the exercise 2.1. Another another two problems are there. You will try in your home. Okay, 13th one and 14th one. Very easy subject, very easy. So I will read. Ashok purchased a house for rupees 10 crore 59 lakh 75,250 and spent 60 lakhs 50,435 on its repairs. How much did the house cost him finally? So what I have to do? Write down one below the other, add. That is the answer. Next, Rohit invested rupees 1 crore 50 lakhs 50,475 for 12 years and received 68 lakhs 45,300 as the interest. How much amount did he receive after 12 years? Here 12, you don't bother about the 12. Just what you have to do first, principal. How much he has invested? 1 crore 50 lakhs 50,475. How much he got as the interest? 68 lakhs 45,300. Add both, you will get the answer. Okay, these are the homework for you. Next, we will move to the subtraction of 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers without borrowing. That is, without taking the carry, that means without borrowing. How we will subtract? We will go by the exercise 2.2. 2.2 and with borrowing also they have given. Without borrowing as well as the with borrowing, we will do now exercise 2.2. Subtraction. We will do the subtraction. You know very well how to do the subtraction. From the UKG itself, you have started doing the subtraction. Subtraction means subtracting from the bigger number to smaller number. Subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. You have to take, if it is not possible, you have to take the carry. Carry from the friend number. Carry from the friend number, that is before number. The carry means 1, that the value will become 10. The value will become 10. Okay. Now we will do the subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. So this is the answer. How you will cross check? Just add these two, you will get this one. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. So this is the answer. Come to here. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 0, 0 itself. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. Once again cross check. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 5, 7. 5 plus 1, So this is the answer. That means we are not borrowing anything. That means there is no carry here. Okay. Next we will move to the third problem, C1. Here they have given unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Sorry, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. Okay, you have to subtract 1 crore 23 lakhs 87,455 from 4 crore. Okay, here you have to take the carry. That is borrow. Okay, here it is 0. From here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You take from here. So this becomes 3. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. How? When you take carry to here, this becomes 10. But you have to take another one carry here. So this becomes 9. Once again, from here you take one carry. So this becomes 9. Same way, 10 becomes 9, 10 becomes 9, 10 becomes 9. Last final it is 10 only. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. Here it is 9, 9 minus 1, 8. Here it is 9, 9 minus 4, 5. Here it is 9, 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. Here it is 3, not 4. Here it is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. We will cross check it. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, carry, that is 4. So the answer is right. Okay, so this is how we have to do the subtraction. Another 3 problems are there, so you have to do that in your homework book. Okay, so that is the 3 problems are the homework, that is D, E, F. Okay, next we will continue. Next the second main, that is subtract 65 lakhs 28,439 from 72 lakhs 49,680. Here they give given the two numbers, which one is bigger, this one, and they have given from. So what they given from, that should be in the top, that is 72 lakhs 49,680. Subtract 65 lakhs 28,439. Subtract. Okay, here you have to take the carry. Here it is 0. Take carry 1 from here, So this becomes 7. Okay, this becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 9, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Here once again, here it is 2, here it is 5. So 5 cannot be subtracted from 2. Take carry. That means borrow, that is 12. It becomes 12. From here you take 10. So that becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Here this becomes 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So this is the answer. Once again I will do. Here it is 0. So take 1 from here. This becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, this becomes 8, becomes 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 12, because here it is 2. Take 1 from here. So this becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. This becomes 6. 6 minus 6, 0. If you want, you cross check by adding these two, you will get this. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 plus 3, 7. That carry 1 should be added, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Okay. Come to here. Here they are given from this one. That means 95 lakhs 65,301 from 8 crore 76 lakh 96,403. Okay, now you subtract. Write down that 8 crore 76 lakh 96,403. Write down below 95 lakhs 65,301. Subtract. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. Here 7 and here it is 9. So 9 is greater than the 7. So you have to take borrow, that is 10. Okay. 10 plus 7, this becomes 17. This becomes 17. 17 minus 9, 8. This becomes 7. So 7 is right as it is because nothing is there to subtract. So write down 7 as it is. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 17 because you are taking borrow 1 here. 17 minus 9, 8. 7 as it is. If you want cross check, 2 plus 1, 3. 0. 4 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. We'll do the another two problems are here. Okay. Next, C problem. Here they have given the 35 crore 36 lakhs 43,780. Okay. You have to subtract 6 crore 47 lakhs 54,970 from 35 crore 36 lakhs 43,780. We will write down the first 35 crore 36 lakhs 43,780. Below that 6 crore 47 lakhs 54,970. So subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Here you have to take carry because 7 is lesser than the 9 or 9 is greater than the 7. Take 1 carry. So this becomes 17. This becomes 2. Okay. 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. So once again you take the carry. This becomes 12. This becomes 3. 12 minus 4, 8. Okay. Now this is 3 and this is 5. 5 is greater than the 3. So I have to take 1 from here. So this becomes 5. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Once again this is 5. This is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. Take 1, borrow from here. This becomes 2. So 15 minus 7, 8. Okay. Once again, this is 12. This is 12. You have to take carry 1 from here. This becomes 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Here also, this is greater than 6. This is 6 and this is 4. 6 is greater than 4. So you have to take 1 from here. This becomes 14. This becomes 2. 14 minus 6, 8. 2 as it is because nothing is there. Once again I will explain. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Here it is 7, here it is 9. 9 is greater than 7, so I have to take 1 carry. So 17, this becomes 17, this becomes 2. 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Here this is 2. 2 minus 4, it is not possible. So take 1 carry from here. So this becomes 12. This becomes 3. Okay. 12 minus 4, 8. Next, this becomes 13 because you are taking carry 1 here. Because here it is 4, 5. You will not subtract 5 from 3. It is not possible. So 13 minus 5, 8. Once again, here this becomes 5. Here this is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So take carry 1 from here. So this becomes 15 minus 7, that is 8. Once again, this is 2 and this is 4. 4 is greater than 2. Take carry from 1 here. So 12 minus 4, 8. Once again, this is 4 and this is 6. 6 is greater than 4. So take carry from this number. So this becomes 14 and this becomes 2. 14 minus 6, 8. This 2 as it is. If you have to just add 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 8, 17 carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13 carry 1. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1 carry 1, adding 14. Okay, you get 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16 carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 carry 1. Okay, 9 plus 6, 15 carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. The answer is right. Now you subtract 39 lakhs 87,282 from 14 crore 85 lakhs 23,197. So I will write down 14 crore 85 lakhs 23,197 and 39 lakhs 87,282. Here very important is you have to write down the place values below the place values. That means below the unit you have to write down the unit. Tens below the tens, 100 below 100, like that the place values. For that reason, if you write 39 here, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, for that reason only, you have to write down the place values properly, one below the other. One below the other. Now we will subtract. Okay, 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, here you have to take the carry. So this becomes 11, this becomes 2. 11 minus 2, 9. Here it is 12. You have to take carry because 7 is greater than 2. So this becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Once again, 1 and 8. So 8 is greater than 1. You have to take 1 carry from here. So this becomes 11. This becomes 4. 11 minus 8, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. Here this is 4. 9 is greater than the 4. So you have to take carry 1 from here. So this becomes 7. This becomes 14. 14 minus 9, 5. Here 7 minus 3, 4. 4, 1. So once again I will subtract 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 8, 1. 1 is lesser than the 2 or 2 is greater than the 1. So take carry from 1 here. So this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2, 9. This becomes 2. So 7 is greater than 2. Take 1 from here. 12 this becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Here this becomes 1. So take carry from here 1. 11 minus 8, 3. Same as it, this becomes 4. So this take carry 1, that is 14. Okay, 14 minus 9, 5. This becomes 7. So you take, no need to take because 7 minus 3, 4. 14 minus 14 as it is because nothing is there, 14 as it is. Okay, if you want, you cross check 5 plus 2, 7, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 carry 1, 6 plus 7, 13 carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12 carry 1, 6 plus 9, 15 carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 14 as it is. So I hope you understand up to here. We will continue the same exercise, that is exercise 2.2 in the next class. Okay, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.